Hello guys, welcome to the third video tutorial on PHP programming for beginners. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Notepad++ for writing and editing your PHP programs on your Windows operating system. So Notepad++ is a simple text editor, but it's good in a way that it highlights your text. Okay, so whenever you are writing PHP or C++ or any other program using Notepad++, it will highlight your text, and then it will be easier to read the code what you have written in PHP or any other language which Notepad++ supports. So let's see how we can install Notepad++. It's really easy. Just search for Notepad++, and the first link you will find here is notepad-plus-plus.org, and in here you need to go to download tab, and Notepad++ is only available for Windows. So this Notepad++ you can only install on Windows. Otherwise, if you want to install it on Ubuntu or any other Linux operating system, you need to use Wine for that, but that's the another story. uh, I will just download this installer for now, and once this executable file is downloaded, I will start installing this Notepad++ on my computer. There are other text editor which you can use if you want to uh, write your code, or you want an editor which is cross platform. For example, Eclipse, you can use it on Windows, Mac OS, or on your Linux operating system. There's one more IDE called NetBeans, which you can use to write your code on Linux or Windows and Mac OS. You can program PHP using that NetBeans or Eclipse IDE also. But for now, we are going to use Plus for our tutorial series. I've started the installer, and by default, I will select the English as my language. I will click OK. Next, I agree. This is the default location where it will be installed. Next, next, and if you want to create a shortcut, you can just click this option, or otherwise uncheck it if you don't want a shortcut on the desktop, and install. And it will take few seconds to install this Notepad++. It's a very lightweight uh, installation, but it's really powerful. And just leave this checkbox checked, so Notepad++ will be launched immediately whenever you want to, whenever you close finish. So in here we can write our code, and why I am stressing on Notepad++ is because, for example, I have Notepad also, Notepad in my Windows operating system, and it will also work fine, but there's one major difference in here in Notepad++ programming, or using Notepad++ editor, and this only Notepad editor, which is whenever you write your code in your Notepad++, you will be able to see the syntax highlighting. So I have written some code. First of all, I need to save this file as a PHP file, so I will right click it, and I will say save as, and I will make one folder in here, which I will call it as tutorial. And in this tutorial, I'm going to give the name of this PHP file, which is, for example, test.php, and click save. And now you can see the syntax highlighting. It's red, and for example I want to echo something. Don't worry about this code. We are going to see in detail how to use this code, so don't worry about this. I just want to show this syntax highlighting for now. So in here you can just print hello world and semicolon. Okay, so you see this starting tag and ending tag start with red color markings. This echo is blue color. This hello world has other color, and this semicolon has other color. And whenever you want to write the same code using Notepad++, and I want to save as, for example, somewhere in the same place where I have given this test2.php, and when I save this, it will not highlight your syntax. Okay, so it's just a plain editor, but you can use this plain editor. There is no constraint that you have to use Notepad++. You can use it, but the only problem is the syntax highlighting. This makes your code really easy to read and maintain, and this you will always see it as a black script or code, so you cannot find these keywords easily in using this Notepad. So in this way you can download and install Notepad++ for editing and writing your PHP programs. From the next video I'm going to show you how to write your first PHP program in uh, your Windows operating system. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.